This is MakeYourWebWorld.com, and in this short video, we want to design transparent header. One of the most beautiful effects of website header design is transparent header design. In this case, at first, the header background has no color and is transparent, but by scrolling the page, the header changes to your desired color and creates a very beautiful look. In this short tutorial, we will go through the steps of transparent header design step by step, and at the end, we will see the result. Keep in mind that for professional designs such as transparent header design, you need Elementor Pro. You can download it from the link below the video. Enter the header template and use Elementor to alter it to create a transparent header. Give a negative margin from the bottom to the height of the header by selecting the main section and selecting the Advanced tab. For instance, we've specified a negative distance of -30 pixels from the bottom for our header, which has a height of 30 pixels. Now it's time to create a background. Decide on a background color by going to the Style tab now. This color will be viewable in scroll mode and transparent header. In the same Style tab, a little below the background section, first activate the scrolling effects option. Then, in the impact section, select the entire page option and then click on the transparency option. In the transparency settings, set the orientation option to faded. Set the level option value to 10 and in the viewport, set the pointer to the up option. Set the first indicator to 0% and the second indicator to 9%, usually between 2 till 10. For find your suitable number, try a number, load your page and check that transparent header works correct or not. If it wasn't correct, try another number. Now set scrolling effects. Background settings were made in scroll mode. Now it is enough to go to the Advanced tab of the header and put the header in scrolling effect. Select the Motion Effects tab and then set the sticky option to the top option. Now your transparent header is ready. For more tutorials and short videos, please subscribe our channel. Also you can see another educations on our website.